The premise: Clara is working on a new film about silence and music, and she is searching for authentic emotion. Her director gives her an idea: find someone who has lost both music and a reason to feel it again. That's how she meets Aiden. He hasn't played piano in years. He barely speaks to anyone. But Clara hears something in his silence, something she can't ignore. The relationship. At first, it's awkward. She speaks, he writes. She asks questions, he avoids them. But little by little, he opens up. Through touch, light, and the vibrations of sound, they begin to communicate. She records ambient sounds for him: rain on the glass, her heartbeat through a stethoscope, the hum of a subway train, and eventually, her voice whispering his name. He doesn't hear them, but he feels them. A moment of closeness. One evening, Clara brings him a surprise: a piano modified with light sensors that glow with the notes. As she plays, the room fills with shifting color, like sound turned into visual poetry. Aiden watches. Then slowly, his fingers reach out, and for the first time in years, he plays. Not to be heard, but to be seen. Their eyes meet. The silence is full of meaning. The twist. Clara is offered a job overseas, a dream project that will launch her career. She's torn: stay for someone who may never fully let her in, or chase a future she's worked for her entire life. She doesn't tell Aiden. But the night before her flight, he gives her a small recorder. I can't hear your voice, but it's the only sound I've ever wanted to remember, she cries. And stays. The final scene. Months later, Aiden gives a live performance, his first since losing his hearing. The lights on the piano dance with every note. Clara watches from the front row, holding the recorder to her heart. Aiden finishes the piece. He mouths the words, "I love you." She presses play. And he feels her say it back. The sound of her name, the end.